What is the purpose of pip install user? From pip install help. The documentation for site.user_base is a terrifying wormhole of interesting *nix subject matter that I don't understand. What is the purpose of user in plain English? Why would installing the package to /.local/ matter? Why not just put an executable somewhere in my $path?
Pip defaults to installing Python packages to a system directory, such as .4. This requires root access. User makes pip install packages in your home directory instead, which doesn't require any special privileges.
User installs in site, user_site. For my case, it was /user/./library/python/2.7/bin. So I have added that to my path in /.bash_profile file.
Other answers mention site.user_site as where Python packages get placed. If you're looking for binaries, these go in site.user_base/bin. If you want to add this directory to your shell's search path, use
Just a warning. According to this issue, user is currently not valid inside a virtualenv's pip, since a user location doesn't really make sense for a virtual environment. So do not use pip install user _package inside a virtual environment, otherwise, virtual environment's pip will be confused. See this answer for more details.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.